And the ball thrown in, and the game is on. And up they go for it. Rob O'Shea is the first breakaway. And he drives the ball up to the corner forward. Up to the full forward, that O'Shea inside, into Aidan Welch and a goal. First attack for the Gaeltacht, and Paul Brannock. Micheál Brannock, I think his brother Micheál, that scored that goal in the first attack of the game. And Matthew puts him under pressure. And Rob still has the ball, looks up, drives the ball in, but Garrett Noonan comes out, pulls on the ball first time. Micheál Kavanagh goes down, looks up, gives it back to Garrett Noonan. Garrett playing very, very well. Gives the ball into Donnacha Higgins. Matthew Sean has just come on the field. Matthew Sean has it, loses it, goes back for it, gives it back to Brian Royal to Tom Kavanagh. Tom Kavanagh's going in. He's been pulled, he's been dragged, he's still going in. Tom Kavanagh, oh, great goal by Tommaso Kavanagh. A brilliant goal by Tom Kavanagh for Lisbon. Badly needed goal. The score is 1-4 to the Gaeltacht, 1-1 to Lisbon. A well worked goal, brilliantly taken by Tom Kavanagh. Referee is out talking to the linesman that he overruled a while ago. And as we await the kick out. Tomas McAteer. Adrian Royal is still on the field. Matthew Sean. I can't see who he replaced at the moment. Adrian Royal wins a great ball in front of the stand. He has the ball, he's soloing up the field. He gives it back to Garrett Noonan. Garrett Noonan goes straight through. 21 yards out. Goes through. Goal. And Matthew Sean meets the rebound and belts it into the net for another goal for Lisbon. It's now 2-1 to Lisbon. 1-4 for Gaeltacht. Donnacha Higgins a switch wing back, and Colm Gallivan is centre back. As I see John Michael O'Connor has gone in full forward, and Rob McGarrett grabs the ball from the throw in and he solos through the middle. He's still going. He gives the ball across to Darragh O'Shea. Darragh O'Shea's clean through and a goal for the Gaeltacht. Buried by Cathal Shea. The Gaeltacht are winners, and we congratulate them and congratulate Paul Quinn and his management team for a wonderful display. And Lisbon will be back without any doubt. So from Park and Slán.